Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today we have another LG TV tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to install the YouTube Kids on LG smart TVs. So first press the home button on your remote control, and this will take you to the LG home screen. Come to the very top here and press the little spyglass. This will allow you to search for applications. Once the search box comes up, you want to search out for YouTube. Once you see YouTube Kids in the drop down here, let's come to it and select it. Then all the applications that match the search will come up. As we want YouTube Kids, let's select that and then press it. This will take you to the install page where you want to select install. The application will quickly install as it is only small. Then we can press launch, and then you can go through the process of either signing in or stay signed out and setting up the account. So you can go into great detail if you wish. I'd set this up so it's perfect for your kids. Once it's set up, when you press the home button, you'll see the applications, and it is normally at the end here. You can one long hold press it, then select it and move it to where you wish. So let's bring it to the start. If you want to put a lock on the main YouTube account, then check out the video in the description or here in the card. But that's how to install YouTube Kids on your LG Smart TV. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.